Okay, so you've decided it's time to upgrade your storage in your PC. Doesn't really matter if you got a 2.5-inch SSD or you have a M.2 drive to install. You're going to reach a point where you install the drive in your computer, and then you go into your devices and drives, and you won't see it. You might think it's broken, you might think your motherboard's broken, you might think your SATA cable isn't plugged in correctly, but it's not. What you actually have to do is you have to go into your search, and you have to search partition or disk management, and you will open up a program called disk management, and then you will see your hard drive in there as unallocated. And you actually, all you have to do is right click on it and set up the drive and follow through the simple instructions, name the drive, and then you're good to go. And it will actually appear in your devices and drives. And then you can tell Steam where to install to, and set up your other file paths. Hope that helps.